let us continue our discussion about hypothetical proposition. Um, we will discuss disjunctive proposition. When we speak of disjunctive proposition, this refers to the either-or relationship, meaning to say the major indication of relationship is the connector either-or, and or other connectors of the same import. Sometimes you can encounter other connectors of the same import. Okay. And disjunctive proposition assumes also two types. Number one is the strict disjunction, and number two is the broad disjunction. Well, when we speak of strict disjunction, the truth of one disjunct excludes the truth of the other. Meaning to say, if one is already true, the other disjunct is already false. So meaning if one is already verified to be true, the other is necessarily false. So one excludes the other. Meaning to say, if you say the king is either here or there. So if the king is here, the king is not there. If the king is there, the king is here. So the relationship is governed by the rules of contradiction. And if you can notice, the two disjuncts excludes one another, and the two disjuncts, or the statement, the disjunctive relationship, does not admit of a gray part or a third class or a third disjunct. It's either here or there. It's either dead or alive. It's either nothing or something. Those are some instances of strict disjunction. And the other type of disjunctive relationship or disjunctive proposition is called the broad disjunction. When we speak of, so the rule of broad disjunction is this: the truth of one disjunct excludes the truth of another disjunct, but the falsity of one disjunct does not necessarily assert the truth of another disjunct. Meaning to say, if one disjunct is true, the other disjunct is necessarily false. But if one disjunct is false, the other disjunct is either true or false. So there is no certainty as regards the value or the quality of the other disjunct. So those are the rules of disjunction.